Hello everyone, this is Callie for Simon Says Stamp. In today's quick tip video, I'll be sharing the features and benefits of the Simon Says Stamp exclusive Reverse Tweezers that are a must-have for every paper crafter. These reverse tweezers feature silicone pads and an ergonomic reverse grab design. Squeezing the silicone pads opens the tips for grabbing and grips the material so that you don't have to squeeze while the item is being held. A silicone cap is provided for safety during traveling and for safe storage. The fine tip will grab the smallest of items with precision. Let's go through a few examples of what those might be. These reverse tweezers are great for picking up dazzling gems from Simon Says Stamp. Gems come in a variety of colors and sizes, and these reverse tweezers are great for picking up all different sizes. These reverse tweezers are also great for stickers and adhesive gems and jewels with adhesive backs. In its relaxed state, the grip is at its strongest, holding the item securely until it's released. Not only is this tool great for perfect placement of small items, it is also great for holding die cuts together while adhesive dries. My next example shows the paper piecing of a flower with 3 layers. The tweezers are helpful for holding multiple layers of cardstock in detailed areas with precision. You'll also find that having more than one reverse tweezer is helpful in the craft space when making multiples of similar designs. Stacking sentiment die cuts is also really handy when tweezers are nearby. They'll hold on to any amount of layers that you might have and can hold down any stubborn areas that don't want to adhere together while it's drying. Heat embossing is a common technique for paper crafters, and the Simon Says Stamp reverse tweezers can be helpful here to hold small pieces of cardstock and to hold the paper at a safe distance from the heat source as it's being heat set. If you find yourself needing an extra hand while you're tying a bow, the reverse tweezer is a friend. We all know that when we're tying a bow, we need to hold down the initial loops so that we can tie the bow to secure it in place. The reverse tweezers will come in handy with holding those loops in place as you form and adjust the bow to how you like. We hope that you've enjoyed learning about the features and benefits of the Simon Says Stamp reverse tweezers, and will find it a useful tool in your craft space. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye everyone!
I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at SimonsSaysStamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.